this works is that you would use the arrow keys to move, and and so the jump one uses a velocity variable, so it actually simulates gravity. And there's a timer that starts running that counts by 0.1 when you start the game. It has a sensing if touched green to tell whether it should be going to the next level or not. However, it only jumps when you don't touch the up button. Well, no, after you touch the up button, because of a script I borrowed from Game Noob's Pen Hero. And so
before you go on, I want to make sure I see different backgrounds, right? I mean, or there are different locations of these steps that you're going on. What determines the progression?
There's a level variable that controls this. See, basically, once it's the next level, it broadcasts something. It has a broadcast that will broadcast the next level to change the background.
Where do you keep track of the levels at? Do you keep track of those in a list or
variables?
A variable.
It has level because the title screen is technically level 1, and the timer's on a repeat loop that ends once level equals 7.
Okay. So you have 7 different scenes that you're jumping across.
Yeah, 5 levels.
But
then 7 if you include the title and this one.
Okay.
And then it records it in the high score list.
Oh, so you're keeping track of the high scores within a list?
Yes.
Okay. So can we see the code?
It's sort of complicated.
Okay. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 sprites?
Yeah. The timer and the end ones are they're not there because it's...
And do you have any code going on with the background at all, or is all the code done with the list?
It's all done with the end and timer, mostly.
Okay.
Because this one will hide the list once it's clicked, and it waits until level equals 7. And here's the level variable, and it would say, see? But still, it would wait 3 seconds, and then it'd show the list. And this part, the if time is less than item, etc., just asked, is it less than that time? And then it would insert that at that area, and then delete number 11 in the list, which would be the last one.
So now, as everybody has been looking at their screen and not paying attention to the presentation, do you have any feedback? Let's hear the feedback. This is called creative computing. It's not about lectures. It's not about programming altogether. It's about creating things. So does anybody have any feedback? Feedback? Come on. I'm going to have you all close your screens if nobody says anything. Nobody wants that to happen. Feedback. I have some feedback. Let's maybe we'll have. So could you go back and show me your screen, the actual, click, start the game over?
Yeah, wait. Let me refresh the page because I accidentally moved some scripts around.
Okay.
Leave this page.
Because I went to try and play this game, and I didn't get it.
You have to use the arrow keys.
I got that part, but I didn't get what I was trying. What you were wanting me to do. So did you guys understand what you're supposed to be doing in this game?
Mm-hmm.
You are? Are you guys on the game right now?
I will play it.
Were you? Go play it. Go get to the game, and open up another window and go to the game and play it.
Creative computing.
Excuse me? Okay.
Although the thing is, if all these people are playing, it actually doesn't update that often. You'd have to refresh the game for it to load the high scores that are most recently added.
That's okay. So the idea is to get to the green piece?
Yeah.
And so, but I don't understand why this is so different.
What do you mean?
Is this a different level?
Yes, each one are different. There's different backgrounds that are different levels.
And is one level harder than the other?
Well, it varies. I didn't really pay attention to the difficulty. I just tried to see if it was possible.
Well, what are the different colors?
Pink will make you bounce up, which was borrowed from Game Noobs. Pen Hero. Black is just a platform, and red will kill you and make you restart the level.
What's this game called?
Speedrun 1.
Okay.
Speed Run the Space?
And one
Speed
spelled
Run
out.
1,
And
O-N-E.
one spelled out. No, there's a space.
That's a really good game. Is there any way to make, like I could think of a way to improve the game really quickly.
Wait. You
And
might
that
have
would be
look
to
on
create a
profile.
background that isn't white.
But they might have to go to my profile.
Well, that's okay. They can go to your profile. All I have to do is search on Speedrun 1 and then they should get to it.
No, go. Wait. No, because it's
By the way,
buried in.
if you follow
Go to
our studio, if you follow the studio, then you
That's my
can go
profile.
directly to the
No, you
studio.
have to click it.
And that's because one of your studios, so then you can click on Speedrun 1 right from the studio.
And then the first one. Wait, scroll down. And scroll down.
Okay?
If you see this one, click it. So click the link, and then if you click follow, then you'll be able to see everything.
If you follow our studio, then everything that's in our studio you'll be able to get to very easy. Okay? So I want everybody to be in our studio and be following it. And I want you uploading your projects, because you uploaded your project. That was wonderful. By the way, this is a
I
wonderful
uploaded
game.
too.
What?
I uploaded too.
Yeah, and okay. Oh, so you did this on the offline?
Yeah, then I just transferred it.
Okay.
28.6.
So play it
My
again.
score. Okay. Do not use turbo mode. That'll make.
Yeah, it goes too fast.
Yeah.
So
Trust me, don't.
have you thought about putting a backdrop other than white?
Well, if I do, as long as I don't use that color again, then I should be fine, as it won't like have any effect. So I can't like say put a red background, because if there's spots of red in the background, it would kill the player.
What if you used a bitmap instead of a vector? Because if you use a bitmap, it doesn't look at the colors like that. Because you're looking at vector colors that have a certain number, but a bitmap for a background,
Mhm.
it won't keep track of those colors.
Oh.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Maybe take a picture or something, or get a bit, or you can actually change your vector file to
I
a
know.
bitmap.
I've seen how that's done.
You can change that really easily within the Scratch editor. We're going to go through the Scratch editor for drawings. Okay? That was excellent.